Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can verify identity on Cash App. So in order to verify identity on Cash App, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now to begin with, all you need to do is open up or log in into your Cash App account and tap the dollar icon located in the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. So once you do that, it's going to direct you to My Cash. So in order to verify your identity, all you need to do is just tap on Add Cash. So next page is going to show you this kind of interface. So in order to verify your identity, you can either do it with your driver's license or state ID. So in order to proceed on, click the continue button. On the other interface, you'll be asked to provide in your legal first name. So basically what you'll have to do is provide in your first name, and then on the other interface you need to provide in your date of birth. Once you're done providing your date of birth, sometimes you might be asked to take a picture of your following documents. If asked, then make sure to take a clear picture of it, and once you've submitted, you'll be notified that you've successfully verified your identity on Cash App. And from further onwards, you can begin with you can access all of the features that's available on Cash App. So in this way you can verify your identity on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.